Number 10, given that the polymer composite of the glass fiber and epoxy, then the volume fraction of epoxy resin Vm 0.48. So the volume fraction of glass fiber Vg is equal to 1 minus 0.48 is equal to 0.52. Now given that the density of glass fiber rho g is equal to 2540 kg per meter cube, and the density of polymer composite denoted by rho c is equal to 1950 kg per meter cube. Now the weight fraction. Now the calculate the weight fraction of glass fiber. Then the weight fraction of glass fiber is equal to Wg. Then weight of glass fiber divided by total weight of polymer composite. Now W is equal to mass of glass fiber into G divided by mass of composite into G. Now क्योंकि mass is equal to rho into density into volume, so density of glass fiber into volume of glass fiber divided by density of composite into density of volume of total composite, and rho by G into rho g by C into V by Vt. This is the volume fraction of glass fiber. Now weight fraction of glass fiber is given by rho g divided by rho c into Pg. Put the value of rho g, rho c and Pg, then calculate the weight fraction. Then weight fraction of glass fiber is equal to density of glass fiber 25-40 divided by density of composite 1950 into volume fraction of glass fiber 0.58. Then you get weight fraction of the glass fiber is equal to 0.677, approximately 0.68. Polymerization of OH CH2 14 COOH. Polymerization, then 1 CH2 14 N. This is repeat unit. Repeat unit of polymer. Then the molecular weight of repeat unit is equal to 14 गुड़ा 14 प्लस 16 इंटू 2 प्लस 12 इज इक्वल टू 240 ग्राम पर मोल. In this monomer, two types of functional group are attached. One is the alcohol and second is carboxylic acid. Both functional group have the equal functionality. OH have the functionality is equal to 1 and COOH have the functionality is equal to 1. So the value of the R is equal to have the equal functionality. So the value of R is equal to 1. Now using the Carothers equation, the number average degree of polymerization is given by 1 plus R divided by 1 plus R minus 2RP. क्योंकि R is equal to 1, then the Xn is equal to 1 upon 1 minus P. In question number 17, given that for the 100% polymerization, 100% polymerization, that means the total mole converted into the polymer. So the P is equal to 1. So now Xn is equal to, when limit P tend to 1 upon 1 minus P. When P tend to 1, then this value become the 0. So Xn tend to infinity. Number average molecular weight of the polymer Mn is equal to 24000 gram per mole. Now you know the degree of polymerization. The number average degree of polymerization Sn is equal to number average molecular weight divided by molecular weight of repeat unit. Then M1 given that 24000 divided by molecular weight of the repeat unit. This is the molecular weight of repeat unit, then divided by 240 is equal to 100. Then you get the number average degree of polymerization is equal to 100. Now using the Carothers equation, Xn is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus P. Then now Xn is equal to 100, 1 upon 1 minus P. After calculation, you get P is equal to 0.99. Glass transition temperature of PVC is equal to 81 degree centigrade. The degree centigrade converted into Kelvin, then 81 plus 273 is equal to 305 Kelvin. Then the glass transition temperature of Plasticizer PVC is equal to minus 3 degree centigrade. Then the degree centigrade is converted into Kelvin, then 8 minus 3 plus 273 is equal to 270 Kelvin. And glass transition temperature of nitrile rubber, glass transition temperature of nitrile rubber is equal to minus 50 degree centigrade. Now degree centigrade is converted into Kelvin by adding 273 is equal to 223 Kelvin. Now in question number 19, given that a plastic raincoat is made by the 40% of the polymeric plasticizer is added to the PVC. Then the weight fraction of the plasticizer, the weight fraction of plasticizer WP is equal to 0.4. So the weight fraction of PVC is equal to 1 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.6. Then find out the glass tension temperature of plasticizer. Now using the Fox equation, 1 upon Tg is equal to weight fraction of plasticizer divided by glass tension temperature of plasticizer plus weight fraction of the PVC divided by glass tension temperature of the PVC, जो कि glass tension temperature is the glass tension temperature of the raincoat is the given plasticizer PVC 270 Kelvin. Then 1 upon 270 Kelvin is equal to weight of plasticizer. Weight fraction of plasticizer is 0.4 divided by glass tension temperature of the plasticizer plus the weight fraction of PVC is 0.6 divided by the glass tension temperature of the PVC 344 Kelvin. Now 0.4 divided by Tg of P is equal to 1 divided by 70 minus 0.6 divided by 354. After calculation, you get glass tension temperature of the plasticizer is equal to 199.2 Kelvin. Thus, the Kelvin temperature is converted into the degree centigrade by subtracting 273 degrees. Then Tg of the plasticizer is equal to 109.2 minus 373 is equal to minus 73.79 degrees centigrade. Then glass tension temperature of the PVC is equal to minus 73.79 degrees centigrade, approximately minus 74 degrees centigrade. Answer number 20, given that plasticizer is replaced by nitrile rubber having with raincoat having the same glass transition temperature. In that case, the glass transition temperature of the raincoat, glass transition temperature of raincoat is equal to 270 Kelvin. No change. So let find out the weight fraction of the nitrile rubber. Let the weight fraction of nitrile rubber is X. So weight fraction of PVC is equal to 1 minus X. So by using the Fox equation, 1 upon Tg is equal to the weight fraction of nitrile rubber divided by glass transition temperature of nitrile rubber plus weight fraction of PVC divided by glass transition temperature of PVC. Then 1 upon Tg 270 is equal to X upon the glass transition temperature of nitrile rubber given that 273 Kelvin plus glass transition temperature of PVC given that 354. Now solving this, 223 into 354 divided by 270 is equal to 354 minus 223 into x plus 223. Then after calculating, you get the x is equal to, after calculating it, you get x is equal to 0.529. Then x is equal to approximately 5.3. This is the common data of the 21 to 20 given that the mass of polymer in percentage given in component 1, component 2, component 3, 30%, 20% and 50%. Then mass of polymer in fraction is equal to 0.3, 0.2, 0.5, and molecular weight of polymer, molecular weight of the polymer given that 30,000, 80,000 and 150,000. So in question number 21, calculate number average molecular weight. The number average molecular weight can be calculated by two methods. When weight fraction are given, then use this formula. Mn is equal to summation of Wi into Wi, where Wi is weight fraction. Second case, when mole fraction are given, then use this formula. Mn is equal to summation of Ni into Mi divided by summation of Ni, where Ni is mole fraction. Then in given question given that weight fraction, then use this formula. Then Mn is equal to 1 upon 0.2 divided by 3000 plus 0.3 divided by 80,000 plus 0.5 divided by 150,000. Then after is equal to 10 power 4 divided by 0.2 divided by 3 plus 0.3 divided by 8 plus 0.5 divided by 15. Then after the calculation, you get Mn is equal to 0.6315 into 10 power 5 gram per mole. Question number 22. In question number 21, you calculated number average molecular weight of the polymer is equal to 0.63 into 10 power 5 gram per mole. Then in question number 20, calculate the poly dispersity index. चूँकि poly dispersity index given by PDI is equal to ratio of weight average molecular weight divided by number average molecular weight of polymer. Then the number average molecular weight of polymer is the calculated, so you calculate the, so now calculate the weight average of polymer. Then when weight fraction are given, then weight average molecular weight of the polymer, weight average of molecular weight of polymer is calculated by summation of Wi into Mi. Here Wi is equal to weight fraction. Then now weight average molecular weight is equal to 0.3 into 30,000 plus 0.2 into 80,000 plus 0.5 into 150,000. After calculating, you get the weight average molecular weight is equal to 1 into 10 power 5 gram per mole. Now polydispersity index PDI is equal to MW upon Mn is equal 1 W into 1 into 10 power 5 divided by 0.63 into 10 power 5 is equal to 1.587. Then PDI is equal to approximately 1.59. Answer.